everyone, it is Tammy, and I have an unboxing from something I think I purchased on Etsy, but I don't even know which one it is. So we shall see. This is from iCrafts Design. What in the world did I get? Trying to be careful opening it. Oh yeah, yay! These came from out of the country. Where did these come from? Does it say? Oh goodness, these came from Thailand. How interesting. So these are all little Snoopy stickers. Well, maybe they're not all little Snoopy stickers. And it's in a little Hello Kitty bag. That's cute. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like I got two different sticks, or two different packs. Oh no, this is a thank you pack. So these are all little Snoopy stickers. Oh my goodness. Let's hang out. Have a nice day. I'll just hold them up here. Happy birthday. I'm not crying. Aww. Okay. Aw, he's melting in the sun. Oh, he's crying again. Don't cry. But how cute are these? So fun. What you doing? Those are so cute. I love them. So those. The only thing I don't like about these little stickers like this is that they're kind of sometimes hard to peel the backing off, but you know, we'll do what we can. And this is a thank you. And I'll say apparently the bag is hard to open too. Here we go. I want to see what these freebies are. How sweet. So there's My Melody. Those are little, those aren't stickers. There's like that little egg thing. And a fish. And a shell. And a jellyfish. And these are some vellum stickers. Oh, she's painting. Or I don't know if they're stickers. A fox with birthday balloons. A little bear. A mermaid and a dolphin. A guitar. And this one says, yeah. So it's just a collection of their stickers, I guess, or their cutouts. I don't know. I don't know if they're stickers or not. And then I got this collection of Tinkerbell ones. And let me just take out some of these too. So there's tons of them, but there's just cute ones. She's sleeping, she's thinking, she's yawning. She's mad, or she's jumping up and down. I don't know if she's mad in that one. She's really happy. How cute. I'm sure there has to be some with her mad because I love that little face that she makes. There's this one where she's not talking. She's mad. Super cute. Oh, sorry and thank you. Oh, these are adorable. I'm loving them. Alright, so that's what I got. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. And I will post the shop below, so hopefully you guys can check them out too. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.